Welcome everyone. I am Mohana, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology, Virudhunagar. Today we will explore the concept of AI problem solving using searching. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, reason, learn like a human. So, the machine going to think, reason and learn like a human. So, rather than being explicitly programmed for a specific task, this is called the artificial intelligence. This artificial intelligence systems uses a lot of algorithms and vast amount of data to recognize pattern, make decision and improve their performance over time. And next, artificial intelligence embraces a wide range of technologies like including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision and robotics. This technology enable AI system to perform complex tasks such as speech recognition and face detection with remarkable accuracy. And what are the algorithms used in searching techniques? The concept of artificial intelligence means this artificial intelligence is the study of building agents that are act rationally. In most of the time, this agent performs some kind of searching algorithms in background to achieve their tasks. This searching problem consists of three different states. One is state space, start state and goal state. What is state space means? All the possible states where you are can be explore the problem. And next is start state, where the particular starts at begins, that going to be referred as start state. And goal state. What is goal state means? That the function that look at the current state whether the results to be returned as the goal state or not, that going to be checked, that is the final state is to be called as the goal state. The solution for the search problem is a sequence of actions called the plan. That plan transforms the start state to the goal state. And next, this plan is achieved through the searching algorithm. Two type of search algorithms are, first is uninformed search and informed search. In subcategory of uninformed search is breadth first search, depth first search and next unicast search. These are the under uninformed search, and in the informed search is the greedy search, A star algorithm, that is A star search and graph session. Let us see one by one. First is uninformed search algorithm in AI. Uninformed search means we already said the possible nodes we have going to start from the start node to goal node to reach the performance grader, that is to perform the to achieve the goal through the uninformed search. The uninformed search algorithm is a section, that is the information prior to get the goal node is not defined earliest in the problem definition. So, the problem definition will going to search step by step in order to achieve their designation by going in order to the length of the actions. This uninformed search is also called as blind search. And next, uninformed search is having a lot of states. For example, first is graph. The graph is constraining a list of nodes starts from S node to G node, that is goal node. And next is strategy. Strategy is nothing but to what are the traveling methodology is available from this start node to getting goal node. And next, fringe. Fringe is nothing but the data structure where to be used to store the available state of the each node, that is called as the fringe. And next, tree result is the traversing to the goal node, that the result to be stored in the tree format. And then solution plan, which a sequence of states from start node to the goal node. These are the 5 different steps is denoted in uninformed search algorithm. And next, let me see examples. So, the first category of uninformed search is concerned with our breadth first search. In breadth first search, tree or graph going to search in a node by node in breadth-wise manner. That is, the node starts from the root node to the designation node, breadth-wise search will be denoted. That is, for example, if we start exploring the nodes, the next node search of is starts with your neighbor nodes. Once the neighbor node everything is get finished, then only the next step of the depth value to be considered. And next, the next form of uninformed search algorithm is depth first search. In depth first search, the depth of the node, that is in how many nodes are connected, each and every level of the node will be checked. Once the destination is get finished, then it will end to the solution, or otherwise it will backtrack to the previous node. After that, move on to the looking forward to reach their goal. Okay, this is the concept is applied in depth first search algorithm. Here the depth first search algorithm is using a stack to store their data, that is current state of the information to be stored as a data structure of stack. Consider the same example from S to G. The S is the starting node which are connected to a number of node, example A, B, C, D, after to reach the goal node of G. Consider the example of depth first search algorithm. Consider the same problem, that is previous problem, that is S node is the start node and to get the goal node of G. Okay. This S node is directly connected to the node of A and D, and next A node is connected to the B, B node is connected to C and G. So, B node is connected to the C and G, then this C node will be connected to the goal node. Similarly, in S node, if we taken a path from S to D means, then D node is will be connected to the goal node of G. Okay. So, this graph will be constructed as a tree. Okay. In depth first algorithm, how can the search begins means, from the start node to search the next level of the depth level. So, depth value here is level 0. Okay. And next, after reaching a node, next it will move to the next level, that is level of 1. Okay. After reaching out the value of B node, next level of the value will go to the next level, that is C node, level 3. Okay. After it will going to search the G. Okay. So, G is the goal node here. So, we reach the designation. Okay. So, this kind of search will be carried out the depth first algorithm. If suppose here instead of G, if we are having any other node, for example, if we having I means, then the depth first algorithm is allowed to the backtrack search, that is it can be searched backtrack to the C, after that C it can move to the next B, next B node is having the child of G. So, this is the goal node. Likewise, it will search the final node, that is it will search the destination of the node, that is goal node. Okay. So, depth first search means the each and every level of the depth to be searched once till to get the goal node. Okay. Once it is have the goal node means, then it will return the answer, or otherwise it will using the concept of backtracking to reach the designation. Okay. This is the example of your depth first algorithm, that is another example of your uninformed search algorithm. So, the time complexity of the algorithm is compared to the breadth first algorithm the same as. Okay. The time of the both depth first and as well as the breadth first is the same, that is the order of B power D. Okay. The space complexity, that is the to acquiring the space of the thing is the B power D, that is each and every node to be multiplied with the depth level. So, it occurs more number of space compared to the previous one. Next, about the completeness, it will give a solution depends on the finite state. And next, optimization, it is not optimal because there are number of more steps to be followed to reach the particular designation. This session will be helpful for exploring the concept of searching algorithms which are used in artificial intelligence. Thank you. Have a great time.